was a normal game.
Yeah.
But like we're still not convinced the Kaizer Chiefs. Uqaleni besizini besithi Kaizer Chiefs iyabuya ne
Sure.
because ama-results abebedlala ngayo indlela bebedlala ngayo, but manje it's like they are back to square one. Like they're not producing any results, but egamini they are there but no results. So what the point of playing a beautiful football if you don't produce goals and points? So coming back to Iswalele, I think Nabo they had a beautiful game. Indlela babambe ngayo iKaizer, well they had a few chances which they missed, but I'm proud of Iswalele. They played a beautiful game. But then futhi Kaizer butam, come on guys. Kanti iKaizer izoyikanini kufika nama-scams ama-strikers all the time. Suze manje yonke season oyofika ne-strikers esisha futhi nakhona esiyiscam. Come on, I think they can do better with scouting teams akhona. They must do a better job, or at least they must like find strikers, local strikers, because lawa abroad Africa they're not doing anything. Jalo they